Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Veda Food Court and Art. Today we are going to show you how to make fresh and delicious paneer at home in just 4 minutes. It's easy and you only need a few simple ingredients. Let's get started. Step 1. Boil the milk. Begin by taking 4 half-liter packets of milk and pour them into a big pot. Heat the milk until it comes to a gentle boil. Here we have taken 4 Nandini milk packets. While the milk is heating up, take 2 lemons and cut them in half. Once the milk starts boiling, squeeze the lemon juice into it. Why we should make paneer at home? Before we used to buy the paneer outside. But now we started preparing at home because outside paneer is a little hard and not so tasty also. So my husband will say always we have to make paneer at home. It is safe, healthy and tasty and too soft also. So here after squeezing half a lime and I am squeezing one more half into the milk and stir continuously. And here I am adding 2 more halves of lime into the milk. Now mix well. Why we chosen the Nandini blue packet only? Because here in our area the only milk is a Nandini blue packet is good and better for our health. Now you will notice the milk quickly curdling. Whenever family get together, relatives will come, we make our homemade paneer and we use in our dishes. So all will say it is very different from outside paneer and so tasty and too soft also. Now take a clean cloth or cheesecloth. Here we are using a normal kerchief. We can use it that also and place it over a large bowl to act as a strainer. Now pour the curdled milk into the cloth and you will see the whey separated from the paneer. Gather the cloth corners and twist to remove excess whey. Place the paneer between two plates and press. We can remove the excess whey from the paneer. For a firmer texture, you can pop the paneer into the freezer for 1 to 2 hours. Once it's slightly hardened, remove it from freezer and cut into pieces. Your paneer is now ready to be used in various recipes like paneer tikka, paneer butter masala. Okay, so many recipes we can prepare by using this homemade paneer. Making paneer at home is super easy and rewarding. It's a versatile ingredient that you can use in curries, snacks and more. We hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.